Hey there, cookie lovers! Today we're going to whip up some delicious chocolate chip cookies. Using this recipe that's sure to give you perfect chewy and soft cookies, let's start. First, we'll need 50 grams of softened unsalted butter. Add 60 grams of brown sugar, 1 gram of salt. And we are going to use only 10 grams of egg. 2 grams of vanilla extract. Add 15 grams of corn syrup. Now prepare dry ingredients. 95 grams of cake flour. Add 3 grams of baking powder and 2 grams of baking soda. Finally, we will use 60 grams of dark chocolate chips. Now let's mix all these ingredients together in a bowl. Once everything is well combined, let it chill for 1 hour in refrigerator. An hour later, get about 56 grams of the each and shape it. Place the dough onto a baking sheet and bake them in the oven 355 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. While it's still warm, create some cracks in cookies. A batch of scrumptious chocolate chip cookies ready to be devoured. Thank you for joining me in this cooking adventure. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy baking!